What if you are going through social media and beautiful animated motion graphics caught your attention and you wish you can also do that? Well, what if I told you that you can? Watch till the end, because in this video you will learn the skills to animate in just under 10 minutes. In this video, I will share 4 secret ways to create these animations. So today I want to show you steps to make your own animated video right inside Canva. And last one is my favorite. Let's start with basic animation. But first we need to create new blank project. Click on Create New Design, then select Video Project. On the left side you have Elements. Click on Elements tab and search for your image. In my case I will search for my background, which is street. Now go to Graphics tab. Let me select this as my background. Adjust its position. Now let's input our character. We only want animated character to do that. Click on this 3 dot, then filter animated only. In this way you will only see animated characters. Okay, select any one from them. I will add another character as well. As you can see, it is moving in opposite direction. Let me flip it. Now here comes the magic. Click on this animate button. Then you will see this bee icon. Click on it. Now slowly drag the character from one side to other. And select movement style to smooth or steady. Similarly, do the same for other character as well. Nice. Now you know the basic. Let's level things up. Let's search for our background first. Make sure you stretch it like this so that we can move along with the subject. Now let's input our character. Again to 3 dot and filter animated only. In this way you will only find the moving characters. Let's take this and adjust its position. Now flip the character. Now again click on Animate button. Then this bee icon. This time we are applying animation on background, not the character. This way you can get this cool walking effect. Make sure you select the background image. Otherwise this trick won't work. Now select movement style to smooth or steady. And there you have it. Here is the most demanded tutorial, the car animation. As usual, we will select our background and adjust its position. Now, we will find a moving car for this project. To do that, click on this 3 dot and filter animated only. Let me select this one. As usual, adjust its position and flip to other direction. This time we are going to use transition for our animation. Right-click and duplicate the page. Now go to the duplicated page and drag the background. And move the image some pixel forward. Now after doing that, click on the car and make it big. After that, click on this middle icon. You will get this transition panel. You can select any transition. But for best results, select Match and Move. And increase the duration for smooth transition. And there you have it, a smooth car transition. Now as you can see, there are some unnecessary part in the beginning of the video. So let's remove it by pressing S on your keyboard. Similarly, remove the back part as well, then delete it. Since you guys watched till here, I want to share a bonus hack. You simply need to select a background like office or coffee shop. Let's use this. Now search for animated character. Let me select this. and position it to this side. This is simple hack to make your animation professional. Finally, you can add transition in between pages to look professional. And finally, once you can download the file by pressing this button. And make sure you click MP for format. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my other videos.